Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My capture is the OnePlus Nord 5 is not yet officially launched. Here's a summary of the rumored specifications for the OnePlus Nord 5. Flat OLED display, around 6.7-inch 1.5K resolution, with 120Hz refresh rate. In-display fingerprint sensor. Processor, with some reports suggesting a MediaTek Dimensity 9400E chipset and others pointing to a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 3. Recent Geekbench listings lean towards the Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 for the Indian variant. RAM and storage, expected to come with 8GB or 12GB RAM options, likely 128GB or 256GB inbuilt storage. Dual rear camera setup, 50MP primary sensor with OIS, 8MP ultra-wide sensor, 16MP front camera. Battery capacity, around 6650 mAh to 7000 mAh. Some sources even mention 7100 mAh, with 80 watts or 100 watts wired fast charging. Operating system, Android 15 out of the box. Design, early leaks suggest a glass back and plastic frame, a departure from the metal frame of its predecessor the Nord 4. Expected price in India around 30,000 rupees to 35,000 rupees. It's important to remember that these are rumored specifications based on leaks and should be taken with a grain of salt until OnePlus officially announces the device. The launch date is widely tipped to be the 8th of July, 2025, in India and potentially globally. Comment your expectation below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.